Okay, so the floral characters of the first family, that is the Fabaceae family, is that the inflorescence, right? Inflorescence means the flower arrangement which is observed is the racemose type. The flower will be bisexual and zygomorphic, right? Bisexual in nature, that means it is containing both the male and female, right? Zygomorphic means it is showing the bisexual symmetry. Next is calyx. The number is present. The sepals are 5 in number. They are gamosepalous and imbricate astuation is observed. So here gamosepalous means they are they are not present, they are not united, they are present in free form, right? There is presence of one single sepals are 5 and they are not united with each other. The imbricate type of aestivation is observed. Imbricate type of aestivation, you have already seen about the aestivation, right? You see here what type of aestivation. Imbricate means, see, here you can see the third, that is this. There will be no the twist which are present or the overlapping which is observed not in one single direction, but it is present in any of the direction, right? So that type is seen, that is the imbricate aestivation, right? Second is the corolla. 5 petals are present. Polypetalous means that they are poly means many, they are present and they are fused with each other. They are coming under the Fabaceae family. They are consisting of a posterior standard, 2 lateral wings and 2 anterior ones, forming a nail enclosing the stamens and pistil. This shows, see, everything is written here, whatever enclosing stamen and pistil, right? They are showing a posterior standard, 2 lateral wings. So it shows the vexillary aestivation, which is what, there is presence of a posterior standard with 2 lateral wings. There will be presence of 2 lateral wings. 2 anterior ones are also present. It forms a kneel, right? That is, they are enclosing us, they are forming a structure like in which the stamens as well as the pistil both are enclosed or they are covered. Next, the androecium are present in number 10. They are diadelphous, that means 2 bunch of stamens are present. The anther is dithecous, that means 2 it, 2 theca are present. Now, one theca is made up of 2 lobes, right? This you are going to study in detail in the next chapter, so don't worry about it. Next is the gynoecium, where the ovary which is observed is to be a superior one. Next, it is monocarpellary. So superior ovary, that means the ovary is present on the top of the thalamus. Monocarpellary means only one single bunch of carpel is present. They are unilocular with many ovules. Style is single. Only one single style is present. Unilocular with many ovules is present. Fruit is legume seed is present, one to many and non-endospermic. The fruit is non-endospermic, that means the endosperm will be not present and the seeds may be one or it may be many too. The floral formula of the Fabaceae family is the plus sign. You can see this floral formula. On the basis of this, you can get all this the information, right? This all the information says about the floral formula, from the floral formula. And the economic importance says that many plants belonging to the family are sources of pulses, that means the gram, arhar, same, moong, soya bean, edible oil. So all these things which are coming under the pulses, so this all the pulses are we are eating as a source of food, right? So all the plants which are coming under this family are the sources of pulses. The next family is the Solaneace family, which is also known as potato family, and it is divided or distributed into the tropics, subtropics, and in the temperate zones also, right? Next, now let's see the vegetative characters. These are herbs, shrubs, and small trees, right? Long trees or tall trees are not observed. They are comparatively short herbs or short plants, or they are seen as the middle sized plants, and small trees are also seen. The stem is herbaceous, rarely woody. The stem is green in color and it is comparatively movable, or we can say it is herbaceous, made up of herbs. Whose mic is on? So the next family says about the potato family. So the stem of this type of families is herbaceous. That means green color stems are observed and they are rare or rarely in this type of plants. Woody, that is the bark, the brown colored stem is observed. They are aerial, erect, cylindrical, branched, solid, right? So these are the different types of branches which are observed. The stems, they can be a aerial one, they can be erect. That means even though they are green in color, but they are present in erect form. They may be cylindrical with inside the hollow portions. They may be branched or they are solid too, or they are hollow as well as they are hairy or glabrous. They are underground stem in potato. You might have seen that the potatoes are growing underground, right? That means they do possess hairy and glabrous stem also, and the underground stem in potato is also present, which gives rise to the potato. The leaves are alternate, simple, rarely pinnately compound, exstipulate, and the venation is observed, which is reticulate. Alternate type of leaves, see, you can see here alternate leaves are present, right? Next is they are simple, and you can see here simple leaves are present. There is no type of different, that is the compound or that type of leaves are observed. The compound leaf are observed in very rare cases, right? Exstipulate means there is no presence of the stipules, and the venation which is observed in this type of family plants are the reticulate type of venation. That means the veins are not present in the parallel form, but it is present or spreaded throughout the whole leaf. The floral characters are the inflorescence is observed, which is to be solitary, axillary, or cymose, as in solanum. Solitary means it is occurring in the single form. Axillary or cymose, that means cymose type of inflorescence is observed in the potato. The flower is bisexual and actinomorphic. Bisexual means the male and female both are present in a single flower. Actinomorphic means it is having or it is showing the radial symmetry. The calyx, they do have 5 sepals. They are united and their persistent valvate aestivation is observed. Persistence means they do have the ability to go through the external. That means they have the ability to adapt to the new environments, right? The valvate aestivation is observed. That is the direction, the first type of estivation where the no twisting is observed. The corolla do have 5 petals and they are also united with each other, and again valvate type of estivation is observed in them. The androecium, there are presence of 5 stamens, right? That means 5 stamens, 5 male sex organs are present. They are epipetalous and they are fused, right? Gynoecium are bicarpellary, that is 2 bunches are present. Syncarpous, that means they are fused with each other. The ovary is superior, that means it is present on the thalamus region. They are bilocular, placenta swollen with many ovules, right? The placenta is swollen, that the placenta, that is the attachment of the seed to the fruit, right? So that is what the placenta, that is comparatively swollen. Bilocular means there is presence of 2 lobes in the ovary. The fruits are berry or capsule, right? The fruits bear what? The berry or capsules. The seeds may be many. That means there are so many seeds are present in one single fruit, as well as they are endospermous. That means they do possess the endosperm. This is the floral formula of the Solaneace family, and the economic importance is again the source of food. Tomato, brinjal, potato, chili, right? They all are coming under the food source, right? So even this family also is going for the source of food. See, this particular families, they are not being asked in detail, but their economic importance is asked, right? So we are going the terms which you have already studied in the whole chapter, it is only covered here, right? The last family is the Liliaceae family, which is commonly known as the lily family. They are representing the monocot plants, right? That is the plants which is containing the monocot seeds. The vegetative characters are they are perennial herbs with underground bulbs, corms, and rhizomes. This you can see here. This type of flowers or this type of plants are observed, and for this reason they are said to be the perennial herbs. They are observed in and the underground bulbs, corms, and rhizomes, right? They are present underground of the soil. Then leaves are mostly basal, alternate, linear, exstipulate with parallel venation. You can see here the venation which is observed is parallel. The stipules are not present. They are linear. That means they do possess structures just like this. You can see this one, right? That shows the linear type. They are the leaves are present alternate. That means there will be no opposite or whole type which is observed, but the leaves are alternatively present in the on the stem. Floral character says that the inflorescence is solitary or cymose. Solitary means singly, which is occurring, single type of flower which is occurring, or cymose, that is the termination occurs at the flower, right? Then there is often umbellate clusters are formed. So few clusters are formed which is going for the means the cluster of flowers is forming, and that is what the umbellate clusters. The flower is bisexual and actinomorphic. Bisexual means the presence of male and female both in a single flower. Actinomorphic, that shows the radial type of symmetry. The perianth is present here. No sepal or no petal is present. There is presence of perianth, and for this reason it is known as tepal. So there will be presence of 6 tepal, that is 3 of the petal side and the 3 of the sepal side, right? So as it is tepal, so 6 tepals are present and they are united in a tube like structure. So you can see here this tube like structures which are present, right? So this all the tube like structures, they are said to be the perianth, right? Valvate type of aestivation is observed. That means no overlapping which is observed in this type of plants. The androecium, it is containing 3 plus 3, that comes to 6 stamens. Gynoeciums are tricarpellary. That means it is forming the bunch of, it is forming 3 bunches of the female sex organs. They are syncarpous. That means they are fused with each other. Then ovaries are superior. That means that it is present on the top of the thalamus. The ovaries are trilocular with many ovules. That means trilocular means the ovary is divided into 3 locules or 3 parts, or 3 lobes, and the axial type of placentation is observed. That means 3 compartments are formed. The fruit is containing capsule and rarely berry is present. The seed is an endospermous. That means it do contains the endosperm. The floral formula is here, you can see. And the economic importance of this family is that they are good ornamentals. That means the flowers which are of this family, they are used for the decoration part, right? Whatever you see in the marriages, or where whatever you see in the different types of occasions, right? They are being used as the or good ornamentals. Tulip, right? Then glorissa. Then source of medicine is aloe vera, right? That is you are using in day to day life. In vegetables asparagus is used, and the colchine is used from the colchium autumnale, right? So this is all about the third type of family, that is the Liliaceae family. Make sure that you read the economic importance of 3 of this family. So here we complete the chapter number 5, and that is the morphology of flowering plants. Now I want you to I want that you have understood, and if you wish to check the uh, videos of previous videos of this chapter, then you can check my YouTube channel for it. So I hope you are very clear with today's topic, and I hope to see you again. Thank you.